Welcome
being
back,
issued by
viewers.
the
You're watching
BOC.
14th Quadcom
How can
Senate
we
hearing.
be sure of na hindi yung po bumabalik sa market na lahat ng mga goods na nako-confiscate ay napapapunta po doon muli sa BOC or ito po ay talagang dinedestroy? What are the parameters being undertaken by the Bureau para yung kinonduct po nating raid through the letter of authority on raiding that warehouse where the illegal goods are being kept? Anong assurance ng taong bayan na hindi po ito bumabalik doon sa black market, kumbaga, sa mga suki buyer na pinalusot? Kasi usually, 'di ba, katulad nung sinasabi natin sa mga illegal drugs na 'yan, 'di ba, minsan hindi naman talaga sinusunog lahat eh. Yung hindi naman dinedestroy lahat, 'di ba? So what are the parameters?
The disposal of some commodities, the authority to dispose it or how to proceed after the confiscation is no longer under the authority of the commissioner. It goes to the secretary level, and
Secretary of
finance. That's where the BOC is under. So for like perishable items, talagang let's say sibuyas, nabulok na yan doon sa pier, pinoprocess pa yung disposal niyan. So there's specific parameters of how these commodities are being disposed of. But for the recyclable, let's say for the cigarette, hindi mo yan basta-basta lang itapon kasi yung shelf life time niyan is mahaba. So even the highest government meron siyang power to address how these confiscated commodities are to be disposed of. So hindi lang talaga commissioner lang, Your Honor.
So dito sa mga raids that are being or were being conducted noon before, meron na bang naging successful yung mga kinasuhan natin? Kasi in the first place, dapat, 'di ba, kung nag-raid tayo, tapos na-confiscate natin yung mga illegal goods sa isang warehouse. So, dahil nga nandun siya sa warehouse, illegal goods siya, meron na bang nakasuhan sa BOC? Because nakalusot eh. Lumabas eh. Nakarating sa warehouse eh. And we have numerous, marami tayong mga raids that were conducted that was issued by the commissioner ng letter of authority para mag-search ng mga illegal commodities. So, nakita natin, napatunayan natin na maraming mga illegal